Hello, Jared here, owner of Shading Texas, out here, beautiful Lakeway today up on the golf course. We just finished installation of actually 4 motorized tension track screens. You can see them here. Just a beautiful installation. Actually going to raise them up right here. So there's actually 1, 2, 3. We got 4 on the back side raising up right now. But I'm going to go inside here in a second. First of all, look and see how tight these are. Just amazing job by our team here at Shading Texas. Full patio enclosure when these are down. Looks just absolutely amazing. Bring this up here, kind of give you guys an idea. Just beautiful. So you see the 1 on the back side and the 3 here on the front. I'm actually gonna walk inside now, kind of give you guys a full idea of what's going on here. Really what it was is west facing sun, just getting hit really hard by the golf course. You can see how bright it is out here. Kind of get through here. And what I'm gonna do is you can see 4 sides to this patio, beautiful area. I'm actually gonna drop these screens down right now. And this is the 95% solar screen that we use. And you can see when it comes down how tight this is pulled and how beautiful it looks. But look how bright it is out here right now. And then watch what happens when these screens drop down. So this one is down already. These 3 are down right here. 1, 2, 3. Instantly, I feel it right now, at least 15 degrees cooler behind it, knocking all the glare off. And then once again, see how tight these are pulled. I mean, extremely tight left and right all the way across. So it does great against the winds. So it's just a really good option for you guys that want to really enclose your patio with something retractable that you know, you don't have to take away from the beautiful views, and you can just have outdoor living all year long, whether it's hot, cold, or anything like that. So once again, this is Jared, owner of Shading Texas, where we are sun out, life in. You can see us at www.shadingtexas.com.